Hévíz, a tranquil and picturesque town in Hungary, is a hidden gem that beckons travelers with its soothing thermal waters, natural beauty, and wellness offerings. Renowned for its thermal lake, wellness spas, and idyllic surroundings, Hévíz invites visitors to rejuvenate their bodies and minds, connect with nature, and experience the therapeutic benefits of its unique geothermal resources. The heart of Hévíz allure lies in its famous thermal lake, the largest biologically active natural thermal lake in the world. The lake's warm, mineral-rich waters provide a natural sanctuary for relaxation and healing. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely soak in the lake, which maintains a comfortable temperature year-round, while the water's mineral content is believed to offer a range of health benefits. The lake's surroundings are a haven of tranquility, with lush greenery, water lilies, and walking paths that create a serene atmosphere for wellness seekers. Hévíz wellness and spa offerings extend beyond the thermal lake. The town is home to a range of wellness hotels and spa resorts that offer a variety of treatments, from therapeutic massages and hydrotherapy to sauna rituals and holistic therapies. The Hévíz Spa and Wellness Hotel, for instance, combines modern amenities with traditional Hungarian healing practices to create a holistic wellness experience. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to explore in the surrounding area. The nearby Keszthely Hills provide hiking trails, panoramic viewpoints, and opportunities to connect with the region's natural beauty. The Lake Balaton, often referred to as the Hungarian Sea, is just a short drive away, offering sailing, swimming, and relaxation on its shores. Hévíz's local culture can be experienced through its traditional architecture, charming town center, and local markets. The Festetics Palace in nearby Keszthely is a stunning Baroque palace that offers insights into Hungary's noble history and boasts beautiful gardens. The town's markets and festivals provide opportunities to taste local products, handicrafts, and Hungarian cuisine. The town's commitment to wellness and relaxation is evident in its numerous events and festivals. The Hévíz Wine Festival and the Hévíz Days offer a chance to savor local wines, culinary delights, and traditional performances, creating a festive atmosphere that reflects the town's friendly and welcoming character. Hévíz offers a unique and rejuvenating experience for travelers seeking relaxation, wellness, and natural beauty. Whether you're soaking in the healing waters of the thermal lake, indulging in spa treatments, exploring the surrounding landscapes, or immersing yourself in local culture, Hévíz promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Hungarian wellness traditions, the serenity of natural landscapes, and the timeless allure of a destination that nurtures both body and soul.